It's review time, and this is on Londonville nail polishes. Also, I'm going to be showing you my collection of them. So these nail polishes I really do love. They are very pigmented. They're in big bottles. These are 18 milliliters, but they're cheaper than OPI or China Bay. Now, these nail polishes are black big, but you can get ones with colored bits. And the brush, I don't do that. Sometimes it just don't. I don't do it. I accidentally got that when I dropped it. Here we go. The brushes are a nice size, and you need about 2 coats, and then you get a really good coverage. I do recommend these nail polishes. They are very nice. So I'm just going to go through my collection now. So, okay, my first one here is a pearl dark pink. It looks lighter on camera, but it's actually a dark colour. This has a nice pearl finish. There I have a really light pink, and this is a pearl finish as well. Yeah, I should say the numbers. This was number 81. This was number 65. Then I have a pastel purple. This is number 107. I have a really dark purple. And this is number 117. I have a beautiful red. This is number 127. I have a really pale green. It looks way paler on camera than it does in real life. This is number 143. I have a bronzy orangey colour, and this is number 70. I have brown, and this is number 68. I have a gorgeous cherry sort of pink colour. This has got a really nice shine finish, and this is number 122. Then I have a really nice pink, a dark pinky with purple undertones. This is number 103. I actually have 2 of these. Then I've got a vibrant pink. It looks lighter on camera. This is number 110. I have a white. This is number 91. I have a pearl white. This is number 13. I have a gold, and this is number 31. I have a bright yellowy orangey colour, which it doesn't show up like that on the screen. But this one I love the sticker to, so I can't remember what number this is. Then I have a bright orange, which is actually showing up pale for some reason on my camera. And this one is number 145. I have a bright orange. It is actually a vibrant orange, sorry about the camera again. So number 134. And then I have silver. This one I don't know the sticker's from again. I have this one, which has got sort of multicolour glitter with stars and hearts all in. This is number 41. Then I have a black with multicolour glitter in. You can see that. And this was number 111. Then this is actually a very deep red, but you just can't see it. And there's red sparkles in it. I don't know if the light will pick that up. No, but there is actually red glitter all the way through this. This is colour 66. Then I have, this is my favourite glitter, and it's copper and blue glitter all in this. And this is number 78. Then my last one is the silver glitter. And this is number 113. I hope you enjoyed my collection. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.